Gusto kong umiyak. Maybe when I say my farewell, if I get to live on the last day of my term, I'd like to say something and maybe I'll cry. Gusto kong umiyak dahil hindi ko maanong taong binigay nila ng pagmamahal sa akin. Totoo lang. 20 years is...
Grabe yan, Mayor.
And I don't think... If father was a governor, twice... mahirap abutin niya.
I think, Mayor, you are destined for it.
That's pastor. It's only, it could be only God's call.
Yeah. The love of the people that you've seen poured out on you and your leadership is really God's love. Because you cannot see God. So He courts it through the people. So that is how God loves you.
Kasi wala kang kalaban, tapos kung may kalaban ka, ibabaon mo naman. And sometimes it's, if you look at it on a, proudness brings you nothing. You're being too proud, inordinately proud about kanang So you have to equate reality. Why? Bakit? And at the end of the sentence, it's always God. Panginoon. So Allah.
You've been a good minister of God in your own capacity.